Today in this video, I'm gonna talk about the most important electrical term that is nothing but the electrical power, which is very popularly used in electrical. So let's talk about it without wasting much time, guys. Electrical power is the rate at which the electrical energy is transferred or converted into another form of energy like heat or light or mechanical energy. So simply we can say that the rate at which the energy flows is called as the power. That is a simple definition of electric power. So basically there are three types of electrical power is seen. The first one, that is active or real power, which is denoted by P, and this is the power, that is actual power, which is used by the load to perform the work. And the second one, that is the reactive power, which is denoted by Q, that is the power which flows back and forth continuously. The third one, that is the apparent power or total power, which is denoted by S, and this is a vector sum of real power and the reactive power. The electric power can be used for residential, commercial, and as well as industrial purpose. So these are the applications of electric power. The electric power can be represented like P, and it will be equal to the energy divided by the time, that is the rate of change of energy.